YouTube. This is a very happy, sad video. For those of you who have been following along, know that our Dodge Charger is being given away. So by the time this video is out, we are already going to know the new owner. I don't know yet. It is currently Tuesday, so the day before the drawing right now. And so sadly, this does mean that our time with the Charger is coming to an end. So this is really our last Dodge Charger video that we're gonna be making. And then after this video, you're going to see us drive this thing across the country. So whether that winner lives here in Florida or they live in California, we're going to be loading this thing up on a trailer and hauling it to wherever the winner lives. So that will be a super fun video. You know, you guys are gonna get to come on a road trip with us and meet the winner for the very first time. So it's gonna be a blast. So if you've not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That is a video you do not wanna miss. But don't be too sad. You know, this car will be gone here within the next week or two, but we've got our next exciting rebuild coming up. This is our 2007 Chrysler 300C SRT8. So this is going to be giveaway number 2. So we're getting this thing up and running. So you can enter in to win this one. I'm honestly probably a little bit more excited for this one than even I was for the Dodge Charger. So this is gonna be awesome. So stay tuned for that. Go check out the current videos we have out on this thing. But yeah, let's get back to the Charger. So I'll show you guys what we're working on today. Really, it's just tying up all the small odds and ends. So we've got some interior pieces. We also have these little fender flare things. So those things go right here in the middle. So they'll cover up and seal in that. Something else we're doing is replacing the control arms and the CV axles. So we're gonna be getting all of those replaced. So that's gonna be good to go. Once again, if you are new to the channel, this is kind of what we do. So we find these cheap, cool cars from auction, buy them, and then we document the entire build series for you guys. Hopefully, you know, you guys just enjoy the content, enjoy watching us fix these cars up, bring them back to life. But if you are interested in entering the giveaway, you know, you can go spend a few dollars and get entered to win every car. All right, you guys, so we are about to go take the truck on over to our tire shop. So we're gonna be getting rid of this set. We're gonna be throwing our factory wheels back on, taking off the 35s, and getting some of these nice Transforce AT2 tires on there. So these are some good towing all-season tires. Huge shout out to my Uncle Tim for those. So yeah, we're about to go head on over. We're just getting the truck all set up, you know, getting our last few things sorted out with this, getting it ready for the road trip. So just picked up the F-250 from getting the tires installed. Let me know what you guys think. We think it's pretty cool.
It looks good. Like
the stretched look on this thing.
Right. They're a little stretched. They're nothing crazy, but if you look, you know, you can kind of see the little bevel going on. But it's still capable. It's still got, you know, the high tread and side tread, so if you need to use the four-wheel drive, it'll still work like four-wheel drive should.
Yeah,
it
drove
good,
super smooth, super quiet. You know, these are some heavy-duty E-rated tires, so we need that for towing.
Lights and everything?
No, that was all stuff we did.
That's cool.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Yeah, appreciate it.
That's good work.
Thanks. So, got these 35s off. These are the Moto wheels. So, these are just gonna kind of be our around town. And then for our giveaways, whenever we have to go deliver this car to one of you, we're just gonna throw this set on. So the truck is pretty much all set. Get my genuine reaction. right, so we have this thing pretty much all finished. What we're gonna do is pull this thing out into the driveway, give it a good little wash, and then we're gonna go pick up our Chrysler. So our 300's getting some new tires. So we'll go pick up our 300 SRT8 in this thing. We'll set the 360 camera up on both of these and give you guys some cool footage from that. final drive in the Charger. We are so sad. This thing is an absolute blast. We've had a ton of fun with it, but we're excited to see it go to one of you. You know, super excited for Ryan. Now, we just got the Chrysler SRT8 running, so we wanted to take them both out at the same exact time. You know, this is a sad day. It is very happy, sad. Yeah.
It's hard to see one leave, but I'm also excited for the SRT8.
Yeah, this SRT8 will be a ton of fun. And it'll be fun delivering this. We had our fun with this, and it is now time for Ryan to enjoy this thing. What we're gonna do right now is just go head on back home. We're gonna pick up the trailer and then start loading this thing up tonight, because tomorrow morning we leave. So early tomorrow morning, we're gonna head out to Alabama. We're gonna be doing the drop off to Ryan tomorrow. So this is literally our last night with this thing. But yeah, we're gonna head on home and start loading this thing up.
Go straight, slow. Okay, hold on. You just have to turn your wheel just a little bit. Okay, go ahead. Beautiful. Keep going. Keep going, just a little further. Keep going. It'll stop you. Go till it stops. Put the e-brake on. Let's check on Brandon. Oh, he says he can't get out. Just one second. This side step thing comes down. Just one sec. Okay, slowly open your door. You're good?
Whoa.
Yeah, you're close. You have about an inch. This guy had it here. Look at that.